message. So, yung... Hi! Shout out Ashley, big winner. Automatic. Hello po. Kamusta guys? Good morning to everyone. Ano to? Ayan pala yun, Day.
Hindi ba? Ako! Hindi, joke lang.
Wow! Oo naman. Paano ba't ako wala nito?
Cancel mo na. Ito.
Yung Day, request, be in your live, Chuchu.
Gwen, Napuli started the live video.
Wow. Man. Good morning again to everyone. Yeah.
Ba't ganun?
Hala ka dyan. Tap your shoes. Ay, kakanta ulit kami nung
Ay, ganito na.
Okay. Kasi putol yung nasa Twitter. Hindi namin nakumpleto. Okay. Paano ba? May mark pa ako sa higaan. Mga simula natin. Mama? Para tayong
Mama!
5, 6, 7, 8.
Mama told me not to waste my life. She said, spread your wings, my little butterfly. Don't let what they say keep you up at night. And if they do, and they can walk on by my feet can't touch the ground, and I can't hear a sound, but you just keep on running out your mouth. Yeah, walk on over there, 'cause I don't fight to care. Oh yeah, your words don't mean nothing, I'm not listening. Keep talking, all I know is Mama told me not to waste my life. She said, spread your wings, my little butterfly. Don't let what they say keep you up at night. And they can't detain you, these wings are made to fly. And we don't let nobody bring us down. No matter what you say, it won't hurt me. No matter if I fall from the sky, these wings are made to fly. I don't need no one there. Hey, 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 hey. I don't need no one saying, hey, 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 hey. You better keep on walking. I don't wanna hear you talking, boy. You better keep on walking. I don't wanna hear you talking. Your words don't mean a thing. I'm not listening. They're just a quarter of my life. Mama told me not to waste my life. She said, spread your wings, my little butterfly. Don't know what they say keep you up at night. And they can detain you, 'cause wings are made to fly. And we don't let nobody bring us down. No matter what you say, it won't hurt me. No matter if I fall from the sky, these wings are made to fly. Yay!
Oh my God. Ayan na po. Narinig niyo naman, ako nagturo sa kanya. Proud. Is it?
May mga request.
Okay. Nagsabi po siya, mag-request daw po kayo ng songs na gusto niyo. Strong po siya, strong. Ganun po siya ka-strong. Ganun po siya ka-confident. Yes. Confident po siya. Yes, guys. Magkikita na kami ni Ashley later. Oh my God.
Ba-like siya na like. Huwag ka like niya like.
Sina? Look. Jesus! Kilig. Ang batang to. Tignan niyo naman ang tao niyo. Jesus! Nako!
Kaya pa kasi like.
Jesus! Ay, Diyos ko. O, buwan.
Buwan, sige.
Saan tayo magsisimula? Ako'y sa'yo.
Okay, sir.
Melody ka, sharp ako.
Oo.
5, 6, 7. Ako'y sa'yo.
Naawa ako sa'yo eh! Ako'y sa'yo.
Malitig ka lang.
Ako'y sa'yo. Ay, ako'y sa'yo.
Baan mo pa!
Ako.
Ano ko, baba? Babae ako!
Okay lang,
Ako'y
kumbaga,
sa'yo.
ikaw mag-a-adjust.
Ako'y sa'yo.
Basta taas.
Bilisan mo! Ako'y.
Yan, ang ganyan sa akin sa'yo.
Oh, bilisan mo. Anin mo muna yung pitch.
One.
Ako'y.
sa'yo.
Ang taas!
Wait na.
Ako'y.
Wait ka mag- Wait lang.
Para masundan mo yung tono.
Ako'y sa'yo, ikaw
Pag
ay
sinap ko ang taas na niyan. Bala na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ako'y sa'yo, ikaw ay aking.
Hala ka dyan, sintunado.
Ganda mo sa paningin.
Hoy! Dali na. 5, 6, 7,
Dali na, pataas.
Dali na, dali na.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. Ako'y sa'yo, ikaw ay aking. Ganda mo sa paningin. Ako ngayon ay nag-iisa. Sana ay tabihan na.
Taas?
Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw.
Taas na muna. Sa mali na ako.
Sa dilaw na buwan.
Hirap kumanta pag umaga.
Pakinggan mo ang aking. Nakataas ako eh. Can't get out na lang. Hirap-hirap ano yun.
Sa dilaw na buwan. Okay.
Ay.
I just can't get
Bulok pisan.
5, 6. Grabe ka naman. 5, 6, 7, and ano kasi mo? Okay na yung ano.
I've been trying to forget you, but I can't. You made me a fool.
Wow.
It ain't cool. It's like there's something missing in my life. Maybe it's you. It is you. I just can't get you out of my head. You're the reason that I wake up in my bed. I got you stuck in my mind, can't get out. Can't get out. Please get out. I got you stuck in my mind, can't get out. Can't get out. Please get out.
O ano pa ba dito? Ano pa ba? Alam mo yung distansya, Day?
Help me to forget you. I don't really want to. Can you tell me if you really want me to stay?
Yeah.
In your mind, I mind. In your life, I got you stuck in my mind. Can't get out. Can't get out. Please get out. I got you stuck in my mind. Can't get out. Can't get out.
Oo, Day. Malapad talaga na
Estela.
ako. Totoo yan, Day.
Kantayin natin yun.
Pero ayan, mahal ko kung anong meron ako. Alam ko yan. Aware ako dyan. Gusto mo i-close up ko pa yung no ko eh. Hay, naku, Day. Okay.
Guys, so nandito na kayo. Magda-live ba tong ano?
Uy,
Ito,
Day,
live
teka
page,
lang.
ganun.
Yung ano daw, alam mo ba yung ano? LDR daw.
LDR.
LDR.
Alam.
Hindi.
Wait lang po, LDR, LDR. Davao man to Bataan, Bicol to Japan.
Pag-ibig natin ay hindi. Davao man to Bataan,
Yung walang
Bicol
distansya
to
ang
Japan.
sisira.
Pag-ibig natin na hindi na mapipigilan.
Malayo ka man, ikaw ay pupuntahan. Hindi ka susukuan hanggang sa akin mapatunayan na mahal, mahal na mahal, mahal na mahal kita. Walang distansya ang sisira, mahal, mahal na mahal, mahal na mahal kita. Yes,
Susunod siya.
ano ba to?
Distansya ang sisira.
Casual.
Casual.
Casual ba yung suit natin?
Hindi. Magpapalit tayo dun. Walang distansya ang sisira sa atin. Wala bang magre-request sa inyo ng Ariana Grande? Charot! Grabe! Ang strong. Huwag masyadong strong, day, ha? Bad ka. Bad. Bad si Gwyneth. Right now! Charot! Grabe talaga. Jesus! Hindi ko kaya yung tan. Ano pa ba? Okay, go request lang kayo dyan. Bala kayo. Charot. Ay, Ashley version. Ano ba yun? I just can't get you. Have a hot time. I'm tired. Ay, nako. Ano pa ba, day? Isip tayo. Kasi mahirap kumanta pag umaga. Wala sa condition boses ko eh. Mahirap kumanta pag umaga. Mababa boses ko pag umaga. Tingnan naman ang lagong-lagong day. Ano ba? Somewhere over
The rainbow!
somewhere there, way high.
Ako siya
There's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Wala ka diya. Pagalitan nyo.
Ako second
pagalitan.
voice.
Alam mo, effortless ka mag second voice. Kita nyo naman.
Over the rainbow.
Kumain ka na, gutom lang yan. Bilisan mo na.
Hindi na. Dahil
Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Shout out sa mga taga Bicol. Yeah. Someday I wish upon a star. Nasipon ako eh. And wake up where the clouds are far behind me.
Nakagaling. Huwag mo nga galingan. Nakakanta pa ako mamaya eh.
Where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you find me out. Di ko abot. Sinisipon ako. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Ooh, birds fly over the rainbow. Why can't Okay!
Ayun mo
etis
nabasa
ka.
ako, note yourself to cry.
Isu. Teka, tatayo ako. Charot.
Ako mag-start, ako mag-start.
Hindi ko po abot, tsaka hindi ko alam yung kanta. Right now, I wanna be like all the time. Ain't got no tears left to cry. So
I'm picking it up, I'm loving and picking it up, picking it up,
lalayo ako.
picking it up.
So picking it up, loving, picking it up, picking it
Hey,
up, picking it
turn
up,
it up.
picking it. Yeah, but singing it. I got no tears in my body. I ran over boy, I like him. Right now.
I like it, no matter how hard.
No matter how, what, when, who tries it, we are surviving. You're vibing, yeah. Even when it's raining down, bala ka diyan. Hands up, so shut your mouth. Hey. And if you don't know, then now you know it, babe. Know it, baby. Shh. Hey. Ang ingay ni Sheena. I wanna be like all the time. Ain't got no tears left to cry. So, picking it up. Hindi ko abuti.
Ba't dami nagla-live?
Pangit ang boses ko. Picking it up. Loving, I'm living, I'm picking it up. Ano ba ang kanta? Hirap kasi kumanta pag umaga. Wala akong feeling kanta dahil. Alam niyo yung Paper Hearts. Hi, Ate Millet. Remember the way you made me feel such young love, but something in me knew that it was real. Frozen in my head, pictures I'm living through for now, trying to remember all the good times our life was cutting through so loud. Memories playing in my don't mind. I hate this part. Paper hearts, and I hold the piece of yours. Don't think I would just forget about it. Hoping that you won't forget about it. Everything is great under the skies. Ay, whole new world. Nanood pa lang kami kagabi ng Aladdin, pero di ko alam lyrics nun. Sorry. A whole new world. Na, na, na. Ano pa ba? Sa uluhin ko, magko-cover ako, try ko. Dahil yung abs ko nabibuild. Tsare! Okay, ekis ka. Ekis. Amo, magtaga Bicol man ako. Okay. All I ask is you. This is my last night with you. Hold me like I'm more than just a friend.
Feeling ko naririnig tayo sa labas. Ay, ikaw.
Kasama kong manood si Sheena, si Ate Angela, si Kuya Sho, si Papa.
Ay!
Wala ka diyo. Bad. Si Ate Kawi. Okay. Uy, pwede naman. Nakita naman nila sa
Post ka?
Oo, pwede naman yung basta nasa labas. Seryoso, nagsabi naman pwede. Hi. Okay. Ang tagal talaga nung Baka nakalimutan na kami sunduin.
8 o'clock na!
Oh,
8 o'clock tayo.
totoo? Eh, sabi 8 daw
Hindi nag-check.
kakausapin.
Hindi check ng burger.
Uy, hindi sa 11 na talaga.
makakarating.
Okay. 8 sila. O, sino pa? Amo, syempre, Bicol baga.
Hindi ko tama.
Pag ako nag-Bicol, di mo ako maintindihan. Sabi ko sa inyo. Ano, may naintindihan ka?
Oh.
Okay.
Whole new world.
Naging yung lyrics kasi 'di ba nung LDR, Davao man to Bataan, si Ate Angela yun, tsaka si Rancer. At tsaka yung Bicol to Japan. Alam niyo na. Shoyen. Oh, 'di ba?
Davao man to Bataan.
Credit sa kanta ni Kuya Jem. Kaya ang damdamin, di lang maamin, di na sabi kung paibigin, pusong kahit tagal nang napahinga, ayoko na sanang gambalain pa dahil natutulog ang puso ko. Huwag nang gising pa, huwag nang gising pa. Natutulog ang puso ko. Huwag nang gising pa, huwag nang gising pa. Oy!
Sorry.
I also want juice. But yeah. Ano kayang ginagawa nila? Walang lasa, day!
Haluin mo! Tingnan mo kasi oh. Tubig lang yung tuktok.
Yellow lahat. Unang lagok, yellow. Unang inom, yellow. Saya, di ba? Ayan, nahalo ko na.
Wala pa yung lasa.
Kita mo yan? Pagkatapos ako turuan.
Galing kasi ako kantayin mo. Nag-request ako.
Sabi ni Sheena, mag-request daw ako ng kakantahin niya.
Hindi! Galing kasi ako nakakantayin mo! Ano, kantahin mo yung ano, yung samantala.
Okay lang, di naman ako nag-iinang ng boses ko, day. Day, malamig daw iniinom ko eh.
Samantala.
Pansamantala. Para pansamantala. Para pa. Hindi ko talaga alam simula nun. Para damayan ka na punasan ka, punasan ang iyong mukha. Meron pa yun eh. Maging sandalan, maging panyo sa tuwing durog ang iyong puso. Para. Kaya nyo sasauluhin ko din yan. Ano ba ba day? Yung teka lang, isip ako.
Balo na ba yun?
Huling El Bimbo. Huling El Bimbo, alam mo ba yun eh? Alam mo yun? Actually, alam ko yun. Kailan yung Huling El Bimbo. Ano nga? Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay.
Para papa.
La 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 la.
Man ka nga, hindi pa
Ang
makain.
tawag dyan, simula no? Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang
at yakapin. Ooh, hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Tatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibig mo? Kahit maputi na ang ko.
Oh, ang ganda ng song na yun. Favorite ko yun. Moira's version. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang ating pangako ng pag-ibig ko laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buko. Ang go lang. Pas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang ating pangako ng pag-ibig ko laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buko, kahit maputi na ang buko. Ay, ano ba? My favorite songs.
This is my fight song.
The other night, dear, as I was sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I held myself and I cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when the sky's so gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Before it sinks in. Before it sinks in. Before it's too late, I'll take a step away. And no one word will make me go rushing back to you. So I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you were mine. How do you go from making one your home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in before it sinks in. Mommy, it's your future you promised. Nangangawit na kamay ko. No, what I never even had. I have every reason to miss and die. Down away, I can find the strength to let you go. Oh, the only one comes to know ko sa ulo. Back his bags and left me alone. Oh, you found another home. So before it's too late, I'll take a step away.
I know it will make me go rushing back to you. And I'll just shut my eyes, forget that you are mine. How do it go from make you want you home and then just letting it all go? Let me take it in, for it takes in.
Kahit ayaw mo na, tatakbo-tatalon, sisigaw ang pangalan mo. Puro tuloy kantahan tong live ko.
Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. Oh, bakit pa kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap ang nawag ka nang lumihis. Tayo mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, ayusin natin to. Galing sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Lapit, lapit, ako'y nalapit, layo ng layo. Ba't ka lumayo, labo ng labo? Tayo malabo, ay kay malabo, malabo, tayo malabo.
Ano daw yun? Ano, A Million Dreams ba yan? A Million Dreams.
I close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me. Let her call my home. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care if they call me crazy. We can live to the world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Ano pa ba? May nakita pa akong request. Teka lang. Nasaan na yung mga request nyo? Hindi ko na mahanap. Yung alam ko ha. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to the world that we design. Sinisipon ako, yung sipon ko. Ano yung passenger seat? Uy! Ala! Bay! Nagsisigawan sila! Bay! Hi! Wala naman. Okay po. Copy.
Right here in the passenger seat, I need. Right here in the passenger seat.
Hindi ko kasi alam eh.
I will give my heart some love, knowing that she's inches from me.
Ano yun? Uy, grabe sa Never Enough Day. Hindi... Diyos ko daw. Hindi ko kaya yun.
Kaya ko pa sa'yo. Wow.
Ano yung never enough day? All the shine of thousands spotlights, all the stars that we see from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Di ko abot eh. Mainit na. Ay, pao ng aircon. Naka-off. Never enough, never, never. Di ko abot eh. Pasensya na. Understand. Okay, next request. Hanap tayo. Ayoko nung akin ka na lang. Alam niyo ba guys, napasubo lang ako nun. Hindi ko naman alam yun eh. Tsaka di ko abot yun. Naka-live ba? Sige. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you. Again, good morning. God bless you all. Bye.